Hey guys, so let's get into this good green juice recipe for today. I'm going to show you guys how I prepped and made juice jars because this was too easy. And then I'll also show you guys what I got for my little vegan lunch here. No recipe, but I'll show y'all. So this is day one of our juice jars. I'm trying to make daily juicing a habit. So I went ahead and prepped some produce, and this has been in here for 2 days and everything looks great. The apples is a little brown at the bottom, but they're not bad. Okay, so our juice jars for today have half of an English cucumber, half of a green apple, 4 stalks of celery, half of a lemon, and a small handful of cilantro. I don't know how much juice this is gonna make, but let's see together, y'all. And of course, we're using our Nama J2. You know what to do. But for real, the link is in the description for this juicer. If you would like to check it out with my discount code KYRA10, you can save $60 off of this beauty, okay? Has a 15-year warranty. It comes with payment plans. This is the girl. That girl. Now, the stuff in the jars is cut up pretty small, and that is only because they had to fit in the jars. As you can see, we have overflow. If it wasn't for needing to put it in these jars, these pieces would not be this small because this juicer can handle the big boys, okay? It can handle whole apples if it needs to. Our half a lemon. Cilantro. Our apples. Celery and cucumber. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. That was so easy. Breezy. Our cilantro got a little stuck. I just twisted a little bit around the little blade, that's all. So it looks like we got around 14 ounces of juice. That's a nice, good daily serving right there. Let's see how fancy we gonna be today. We're gonna keep it simple today. You know, black folks gonna rinse something off before they use it. Dishes be clean, but still need to be rinsed. Celery juice. All I can really taste is celery, and I'm not a fan, but that's okay. At least it's not straight celery juice. There's some other elements. So there's our green juice. Let's get lunch out. I meal prep for the week. Let me show y'all. We're gonna be doing some nori wraps, seaweed wraps, and this is gimme roasted seaweed, big sheet, sea salt and avocado oil, okay? 25 calories, less than 1 gram of carbs, 1 gram of protein, okay? And then what we made last night, avocado turned a little bit, but that's all right. I made like a little kale, a little spicy, sweet spicy kale salad with some baby kale and some shredded carrots. And then we have some leftover quinoa that I just need to use up. And then you can't really see it, but I made some pea protein crumbles. Nice Asian infused flavor in there, and we got some avocado. And I made this sauce. This sauce actually works great as like a cheese queso type of sauce. And I was surprised because this was my first time using cannellini beans. Ain't that what they call it? I think cannellini beans. And I wasn't expecting it to taste cheesy, but when I tasted it, I could not believe it. But I think this is gonna be amazing for our wrap. So let's get to it. Wish I would have had some cucumbers, but I used them all for that cucumber vinegar salad. It had already wrapped. Oh no. There's our lunch. Now these wraps are a hot ass mess, but I don't care. Next time I'll definitely have to wrap them a different way. I don't know what way, but not this way. See, the problem is I think I made it too saucy. My seaweed is like falling apart. And then I didn't even wrap the other end. You know what I forgot though? Furikake, aka rice seasoning. So we're gonna put some of this on there too. This is freaking good, y'all. I just wish it wasn't falling apart like this. Okay. And let's do a little extra. This is my sauce serving for today. It's got protein in here, so we're gonna sauce it up, honey. That is really good. Was not expecting this to be that good. And this has, I don't know the exact number, but it has at least 25 grams of protein. At least, okay? Probably 30. A win is a win. For more juice recipes, vegan meals, inspiration, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. Let me know if you would try this wrap, okay? It may not look the best, but it's banging, all right? I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching. I'm talking about woo to the way. This mug good.